Welcome to this Android and Google News Bulletin on this Android channel. And today is Monday, September 17, 2018. And today, of course, in our news, we have the Punkt MP02. The Punkt MP02 is an Android dumb phone, as they call it. It's now available for pre-order, and it's a very stripped-down phone that offers a minimal experience for someone who just doesn't want to have all the hassle of a smartphone. It runs on a stripped-down version of Android, and of course the smartphone now offers 4G LTE support, and of course it is really one of the basic phones out there. So maybe for some people this could be what they need, and it's going to be interesting to see how sales go with this pretty much very basic phone. Well, a woman in Long Island, New York has and says that her Galaxy Note 9 phone caught fire in her bag. She's now suing Samsung, but the thing is, we're still not really sure what's happened, and it's an isolated incident. Of course, just the talk of a Note 9 catching fire really reminds us of the Note 7 fiasco, where exploding batteries everywhere. But this is the only report we have, so we're not there yet at a problem necessarily. Phones do from time to time have their own little problems. Even iPhones, it will happen from time to time. Well, Google's search engine in China, it's getting interesting because reportedly it will tie the user's phone number to any search requests and results. That means there's be a lot of tracking from the government as to who does what type of search, which is really a big problem with the privacy here. And of course, a lot of people don't like this, including a lot of Google employees that are not happy that the company is actually doing this. Wet Weather Timeline is a app that was somewhat popular on Android, and users came to a little notice today that the Weather Timeline app was actually removed, and people started speculating that Google had removed it for some reason. Well, it seems Google has nothing to do with it. The developer actually issued a statement saying, no, I removed the app from the store myself, because he said that it was slowing down on the download rates, and that at some point the only way that he could keep it running would have been to introduce some kind of subscription. So he decided to remove the app. Well, last week we talked about some third-party assistants using the Google Assistant that weren't working very well, and of course a lot of people said, well, this is Google just wanting us to buy the Google stuff. Well, now Google has said that, of course, even though it has nothing to do with it, it actually fixed apparently, and the assistant now works back as it should and normally on the third-party assistants. And finally, there's the update to the Google Calendar Calculator app, not Calendar app. The Google Calculator app has been updated with new material design on version 7.5. It looks and feels better. And if you want to have a closer look, I will be talking about this app, as I have a new feature starting today on the Android channel that will be called the Daily App Review. Every day I'll talk about an app that I deem to be interesting for Android users. And this was the Android and Google News for Monday, September 17th, 2018. If you enjoy our videos, please subscribe, give us thumbs up, and thank you for watching.